This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Crazy as everybody else and shit. Oh my goodness. Y'all heard I just lost traction. We finna, you know what I'm saying, take the little 5-7 through the city real quick. Goddamn, driving the rain. It's already dumb early, so this is actually the perfect time. I'm gonna try to find some spots, stay out there and spin it a bit, cause apparently it's no spots in RVA where you can spin, like, and not illegal spots. Like, I want legal spinning spots, like legal pits. But let me get y'all boys right. From what I'm hearing, there's no legal spots here. Like, we don't have nothing, bro. Y'all peep. Hold up. The Cybertruck, man. Yo, bro, I don't know where I'm going. If I'm being honest with y'all, I'm just driving. Oh, the 5-7 geek. Yeah, okay. Yeah, nah, bro. I'm really just driving. Like, I have no destination, no nothing, bro. I'm just driving. Hopefully this POV video even come out right for y'all, bro. Cause for some weird reason, the video, bro, sometimes my video, like POV styles, are either a hit or a miss. Bro, stop beeping the horn, bitch. Fuck wrong with him? Yeah, bro, POV styles, they're either a hit or a miss for me, like the way that, like, I record them. You know what I'm saying? Dang, hold up. Taking it a little bit through the city, bro. Stop playing her. My little 5-7, she a little geek, even though she stock as hell. Little 5-7, it be a little geek. You know what I'm saying? Nah, hopefully this don't come out right for y'all, bro. I really do hope so. Because if it do, oh my goodness, it's gonna be one of my favorite vids, bro. I get to take 5-7, you know what I'm saying, through the city on some little calm stuff. This is what our city looks like. Like, it ain't nowhere near as, like, crazy as everybody else and shit. Oh my goodness, y'all heard I just lost traction. Oh, by the way, we have no tires, bro. Not a single tread on these hoes. Nah, I lied. It's a little tread, but it ain't a lot. So expect her to be, you know what I'm saying, bugging out, bro. Oh my goodness, my fault. I'm trying to make sure that y'all straight. Like, y'all important right now, gang. I'm not gonna lie. Well, always, but I'm trying to get y'all straight so I don't shoot this whole video and then it's a flop. You know what I'm saying? Alright, man, we gotta goddamn chill out, bro. We vibing right now. But yeah, bro, we just goddamn driving around, no destination. I might pull over at a random gas station, bro, just for the fun of it. Like, I don't know. Or maybe I might just be chatting, bro. Y'all know, man, I get the yap and what the you know what? Hey, that ain't none of my business, bro. We got now, we chilling, bro. Little 5-7 get the geeking on their bro, get over, bro. Get in your lane, bro. The heck? Yo, bro, people tripping, bro. Yo, bro. No, seriously. Yo, bro, it's a bunch of tweakers here, bro. I'm telling you. Tomorrow. Yo, bro. Everybody out here looking for, y'all know what they looking for. I ain't gonna say it. If you drive, you know what crazy drivers be looking for, bro. Yo, bro, he's geeking, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, let me see. Oh, the main thing I got, like, I had to tell y'all, bro. Don't mind, like, my floor a little messy, bro. Look, this is my work, like, this is my daily game. So hey, work boots and everything is in this car. But I have a SRT 8 front bumper. I'm gonna probably order it. Hopefully I drop this video on Thanksgiving, because that's when I'm shooting it. By the way, you know what I'm saying? No, we gonna talk about that when I get out the car. Let's find like a gas station or something. I'm pretty sure there's one somewhere over there, bit. Hold up. But yeah, we gonna talk about the SRT 8 front bumper. Yeah, I told y'all they be tweaking, bro. Let me see. Alright, we're good. Bro, I genuinely do not know what's the speed limit over here. Is that crazy? I don't know, but obviously the speed limit ain't goddamn 90, so you shouldn't be goddamn up. There I go. Well, I was going to speed limit anyway, but yeah, I got an SRT8 front bumper on the way. I'm gonna order it pretty much around like Friday, and what, it's like Wednesday right now, I think. No, Thursday. I'm tripping. No, I'm ordering it tomorrow. So yeah, y'all boys be on the lookout for that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Man, look at. Y'all ain't see that, bro. I ain't running anyway, but like, bro, they be, look at that. They be trying to set me up, man. Oh, that boy got a C8. Okay. Is this crazy if I hop out at the light and talk to y'all? Am I crazy, bro? Please tell me I can slide my slides on fast enough. Nah, I couldn't. Like, I literally just put them on, bro. Yeah, bro. I was gonna slide my slides on, bro, and talk to y'all real quick, bro. You know what I mean? But hell yeah, I'm probably about to find like a somewhere I can like park up real quick, do like a 360 of the car, talk to y'all boys, and then heck yeah, hold up, we gonna try to let y'all hit it a bit one more time. Well, I don't know what I'm saying one more time. Y'all can hear it again, but let y'all hit it a bit right now. Hold on. Look at how empty the road, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, it's early. It's like I'm not gonna try to curse, but it's dumb early in the morning, bro. Like really early in the morning, gang. So everybody is either asleep or goddamn, you know what I mean? Like, it's early. I don't even know what gas station this is. I ain't never even came to this goddamn gas station before, but I'm here. Alright. Oh, y'all probably looking and peeping. That little dash cam. I put it in the wrong spot, and I'm so sick that I did that. Alright, we're gonna be here for literally 10 seconds, bro. Hopefully, with the camera being angled the certain way that I'm like angling it, because I have it set like for when I'm driving, not when I'm walking around. But hopefully y'all can still like see the car and show how I'm walking. But no, y'all can't. Y'all are facing the ground. Okay, so pretty much I got, damn, my shit is twisted, but pretty much I got to, y'all already know I got rims and shit on the way, but bro, my whole front like bumper, bro, as y'all can see, bro, my whole front bumper, I'm pretty much about to get replaced, because as y'all don't know, my whole, like, I'm finna get SRT8 front end, rear bumper as well, and then I got tint and shit on my tail lights. If y'all ain't know that vid look tough, by the way. I got tint and stuff like that on my tail lights, and I'm probably gonna replace my tail lights, and then yeah, no, I'm gonna go and get like scat pack seats and shit like that. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much like what we got for right now, bro. Y'all hear my windshield wipers? Hell yeah, bro. I know I'm like a calm 30, maybe a calm 30 away from my house, probably, and that's kind of crazy to say, but yeah, bro. Oh, but dang, I was supposed to be talking to y'all about also, I'm gonna get this car tuned. Most likely I'm just gonna Diablo tune it, because that's pretty simple, I'm not gonna lie. And I probably have it set up for 93 octane. I know y'all like 93 octane, what the hell, he tweaking? I know, bro, I'm a tweaker, bro. I know, my fault, bro. When I be driving and I be like talking to y'all, I just be letting my intrusive thoughts win, bro. I just, whatever pop off my, like, you know what I mean, whatever just like come to mind, bro. Is he's coming in here, right? No, he's not. Okay, yeah, nah, whatever just like comes to mind, I just say it. Seriously. Oh my god, they got stains over there. Okay, AMG mom. Okay, hold on, let me get y'all right, because y'all sitting dumb high right now. Yeah, see, look, y'all see the difference? in between, like, oh my God, I'm all over the damn road. Hold on. See, bro, I had a goddamn, no, I ain't even gonna talk bad about my Dodge, bro, because I love this car. All right, we're good. Ooh, 5-7, okay. Oh, wait a minute. Is this the dealership that? Nah, it's not. Never mind. I thought this was the dealership me and Rand had went to. It's not. Wait. I think this is. Yeah, this is the dealership this is the dealership me and Rand came to. Heck yeah. No, it actually was. I thought I was tripping. Oh my goodness, bro. Alright, my fault. Bro, also, can somebody give me some exhaust, like, suggestions and, like, you know what I'm saying, muffler suggestions, bro? Like, what's the first thing I should change, mufflers or exhaust? I'm low-key looking more towards mufflers, but hey. And then also I want to find, like, if I can get like some 5-inch tips or something, because bro, 5-inch tips on this car would look stupid, bro. I'm telling you, would look insane. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh, you know what? This is actually the perfect time to bring this up real quick, because I'm probably about to head back. I know I'm stupid far away from my crib, bro. I'm probably about to start heading back. I was supposed to be going through the city. I was in the city for 10 minutes. Well, not even 10 minutes, 10 seconds damn near, bro. But people was asking me, bro, and I know, I just wanted to go ahead and throw this in this vlog, bro, just to get it out the way so y'all can already know, bro. People was asking me, like, bro, why you don't goddamn, like, be on the game and all of that no more, bro? I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. Like, a lot has changed, bro. A lot. Just like in life, like, bro, within like the past 2-3 months, but my life has did a complete 360, and like, I kid you not, it's insane. Like, now I'm just going with the flow of life, bro. Like, whatever happens, bro. I'm not even gonna stress nothing no more like that, bro. I'ma just let stuff happen, bro. You feel me? But I didn't have a crib, bro. Like, that ass, I just didn't have nowhere to like live. So yeah, bro, I was pretty much trapping out my car, gang. So there was no gaming. Like, you have nothing to play the game on, bro. I'm laughing at it now. I was really messed up, but I'm laughing at it. Oh my goodness. Look, 5-7. Nah, look, I'm laughing at it, but I promise you, I was so sick, bro. I was blue, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I just left from down here, bro. I think this like going towards like fucking Chick-fil-A, I think. But yeah, I just didn't have nowhere to stay, gang. Like, a lot has happened in life, I swear. And I know that sounds so crazy coming from me, because I'm always playing and joking, bro. But nah, like, some real deal, like, life stuff happened, bro. So, you know what I mean? You ain't got nowhere to stay. Nigga, ain't no games. Oh, that boy got the Infinity. Okay, G37. Yeah, bro. No crib, nigga. You homeless pretty much, gang. You ain't got no, you feel me? And that should be, like, one of the, like, last things you should be worrying about is a damn video game. You feel me? Even though, you know what I'm saying, I love playing my game, bro. Don't get me wrong. But just, a lot has happened, bro. So, you know, take it for, you know what I'm saying, gotta take it on the chin, basically what I'm saying, bro. Just gotta eat that. If I told y'all how it happened, bro, y'all would be like, nah, that's like, she's a messed up person for that. But I ain't even gonna let y'all, like, I ain't even gonna do it to her like that. You feel me? Ooh, wow, I ain't gonna lie. I'm low-key a little hungry, gang. Hold on, I'm finna go in there, bitch. Get a little snack, you know what I mean? Yeah, bro, I'm not even gonna, like, bro, we not gonna bash her, bro. So, yeah, that's basically what happened, bro. Y'all was asking me, like, bro, why you ain't been on the game, bro? Why you ain't been on the game? I was homeless. Just straight to the point, bro. I was homeless, gang. There's no... I'm a little too far. I don't care. Yeah, I ain't had nowhere to stay, bro. So that's why I wasn't playing the game. But, hey, I'm gonna just keep grinding, you know what I'm saying, with the tube. And, hey, my life already did a 360, you know what I'm saying? with their YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Goddamn, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully life do a motherfucking 720 on their ass. Cap. Yeah, bro. I'ma just keep grinding, bro, and just pray and just, you know what I'm saying? Pray and hope to God. God damn, their gas is cheap. Pray and hope to God, bro, that, hey, this mess, yeah, feel me? Yeah. Nah, bro, let's go in here and get my snacks, bro. I'll catch y'all boys when I get back out. Hold on. Alright, man. So I'm pretty much about to end this video. Appreciate y'all boys for watching, bro. You know what I'm saying? But just went in wild and got that. You feel me? Appreciate y'all boys for watching though, bro.